Have you ever opened your fridge, spotted fresh produce, and felt a mix of hope and guilt? Maybe you bought those greens and fruits with the best intentions, planning to eat healthier or try a new recipe. But days pass, life gets hectic, and suddenly those once vibrant veggies are limp and forgotten, wilting away in the crisper drawer. That pang of guilt hits as you realize another healthy opportunity has slipped by. It's a common story. Our busy schedules push nutrition to the back burner, and nature's medicine, those beautiful greens and fruits, sit unused, their potential wasted. But you're different. You're here because you want to break that cycle. You want to discover how to use these powerful foods before they go to waste and unlock their hidden benefits. You're ready to learn the life-changing secrets tucked away in the simplest ingredients, foods you already have, just waiting to help you feel your best. Today, we're focusing on a pain that slows so many of us down, aching, stiff knees. Whether it's from years of activity, an old injury, or just the passage of time, knee pain can make even simple movements a challenge. We often accept joint pain as an unavoidable part of aging, something we just have to live with. But what if that's not the whole truth? What if there's more you can do? Starting right at home. Your body is capable of incredible things, even repairing itself, when you give it the right tools. The foods you choose can make a real difference in how you feel every day. Relief doesn't always come from a pill bottle or a doctor's office. Sometimes the answer is much simpler and much closer than you think. Sometimes the solution is right in your kitchen, waiting to be discovered among the foods you already have. In this video, we'll show you how to transform overlooked produce into a powerful, healing elixir for your joints, one that's easy to make and delicious to drink. No complicated diets, no expensive supplements, just one simple, potent drink you can make at home, using ingredients you might already have. Don't believe the myth that you have to live with pain, or that your best years are behind you. You can reclaim your mobility, energy, and joy, starting today. Imagine walking with confidence, enjoying the outdoors, and feeling energized again. That journey starts with a single step and a single drink. You'll discover how a humble vegetable, a tropical fruit, and a simple powder can work together to support your joints and overall health. These ingredients, when combined, create a synergy that can help soothe discomfort and nourish your body from the inside out. This is your first step toward nourishing your knees and your whole body with nature's best. Let's unlock the secret in your fridge and start your journey to feeling better, one sip at a time. Before we get into the science, let's pause for a moment and talk about something even more powerful. Real stories from real people, just like you and me. These are people who faced daily struggles, who felt their best years were behind them, and who wondered if they'd ever get back to doing what they loved. I shared this simple recipe with seniors who had almost given up hope, who believed their active days were over and that pain and stiffness were just part of getting older. Take Arthur, for example. At 72, he couldn't play with his grandkids because of constant knee pain. He watched from the sidelines, wishing he could join in. But just 3 weeks after starting this juice, Arthur was able to kneel down and play, pain-free for the first time in years. His family couldn't believe the change. Then there's Margaret, 68, who had to give up her beloved garden because every movement brought agony. She missed the feeling of soil in her hands and the joy of watching her flowers bloom. After a month on the juice, Margaret sent me a photo with a huge smile. Back in my happy place, my knees feel 20 years younger. These aren't rare stories, they're becoming more common. People are reclaiming their hobbies, their independence, and the simple joys that make life meaningful. They're painting, walking, cooking, and laughing again. I didn't just share this juice, I tried it myself, curious to see if it could really make a difference. Within 10 days, my own morning stiffness faded away. I woke up feeling lighter, more flexible, and ready to take on the day. My joints felt cushioned, and I had more stamina for long days, whether it was a brisk walk or a hike in nature. These testimonials are the reason I'm so passionate about sharing this with you. They're proof that change is possible at any age. It's one thing to read about the benefits of food, it's another to witness lives being transformed, to see people rediscovering their spark. From walking the dog in the park, to dancing at weddings, the stories kept coming in, each one more inspiring than the last. This simple drink gave people back the moments that truly make life worth living, moments with family, friends, and the activities they love. Our bodies have an incredible ability to heal, to bounce back, if we just give them the right support and nourishment. So, let's take a closer look at how this works, and how you can start your own story of renewed hope. What causes joint pain and stiffness? Why do our joints, which once moved so freely, suddenly start to protest with every step or stretch? For many, these aches seem to appear out of nowhere, but there's a deeper story behind the discomfort. It comes down to one crucial protein: collagen. Collagen is the unsung hero inside our bodies, quietly working behind the scenes to keep everything running smoothly. Think of collagen as the scaffolding of your body, supporting skin, bones, muscles, and especially cartilage. It's the glue that holds us together, providing structure and strength to our tissues. When we're young, we have plenty of collagen. That's why kids are flexible, bounce back from falls, and their skin is smooth and resilient. Their joints are cushioned and move with ease, making activities like running, jumping, and stretching feel effortless. But after age 30, collagen production drops steadily. Each year, our bodies make a little less, and the effects slowly add up. Over time, the signs become hard to ignore: sagging skin, weaker joints, and thinning cartilage. Everyday movements can start to feel uncomfortable, and recovery from activity takes longer. In your knees, cartilage acts like a protective coating on a hinge. When you lose collagen, that coating wears down, leaving your joints vulnerable. Instead of smooth, gliding movement, you get friction, bone rubbing on bone, causing pain, swelling, and sometimes even inflammation. This is why simple activities like climbing stairs or getting up from a chair can become a challenge. It's not your fault, it's biology. But the good news is, you can fight back by replenishing your body's building blocks. Supporting your joints isn't just about managing pain, it's about restoring what time has taken away. Collagen loss affects more than just knees. It weakens hair, nails, and muscles too. You might notice brittle nails, thinning hair, or even a loss of muscle tone as collagen levels drop. Painkillers only mask symptoms. To truly heal, you need to rebuild your body's framework from the inside out. That means giving your body the nutrients it needs to repair and regenerate. That's where our Elixir comes in. It's designed to deliver the essential building blocks your body craves, in a form that's easy to absorb and use. By supplying the raw materials for collagen, you can help your body repair and restore itself, supporting not just your joints, but your whole body's strength and resilience. It's a systemic solution for a systemic problem. When you nourish your body at the cellular level, the benefits ripple outward, improving mobility, comfort, and even confidence. Don't settle for temporary fixes. Give your body what it needs to heal, thrive, and keep you moving for years to come. Let's meet the ingredients that make this possible. Each one is carefully chosen to support your body's natural repair process. Your journey to stronger joints starts with what you put in your glass. Ready to see how? Let's dive in and discover the power of true joint support. Meet our three heroes: chayote pineapple and unflavored gelatin. Each plays a unique role in joint repair and cartilage regeneration. Chayote is rich in silica, the foreman that helps your body build collagen. It's also packed with vitamin C and zinc, key for collagen production. Pineapple's secret is bromelain, an enzyme in the core that fights inflammation and pain. Bromelain calms swelling, letting your body focus on repair. Unflavored gelatin is essentially cooked collagen. Your body uses it as the bricks and mortar for new cartilage. Together, these ingredients form a complete joint reconstruction kit in a glass. Chayote directs the work, pineapple clears inflammation, and gelatin supplies the building blocks. It's a simple, natural formula for real results. Now let's make it. Here's your step-by-step guide. Making this healing juice is easy, no fancy equipment needed. Consistency is key, so make it part of your daily routine. Here's what you need for one serving: 1 whole chayote, 2 thick pineapple slices with the core, 1 tablespoon unflavored gelatin, and 1 cup of water. Wash and chop the chayote, no need to peel. Chop the pineapple, keeping the core. Add everything to your blender: chayote, pineapple, water, and sprinkle the gelatin on top. Blend until completely smooth. The texture will be thicker than typical juice, that's normal. If it's too thick, add a bit more water. Pour into a glass and drink immediately. For convenience, pre-chop your produce and store in the fridge. Rinse your blender right after use. The gelatin can get sticky. Make this drink a seamless part of your morning. 5 minutes a day can mean a world of difference for your joints. Stick with it, and you'll feel the results. Ready to learn when and how to drink it for best results? Let's keep going. Relief is closer than you think. For maximum benefit, drink your Elixir first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This helps your body absorb the nutrients quickly, sending them straight to your joints. Wait 30-45 minutes before eating or drinking anything else. Healing takes time. Commit to this routine for at least 3 months. Many feel relief in weeks, but real cartilage repair takes consistency. After 3 months, assess how you feel. Some continue daily, others switch to every other day. Listen to your body and stay consistent. This simple habit can transform your mobility and comfort. The base recipe is powerful, but you can customize it. Add half a green apple or berries for sweetness, or a teaspoon of honey if you're not diabetic. For extra anti-inflammatory power, toss in fresh ginger or half a teaspoon of turmeric with a pinch of black pepper. Want more nutrients? Add spinach, kale, chia, or flax seeds. Experiment to find your perfect blend. Make it enjoyable and effective for you. Your body and taste buds will thank you. This elixir does more than help your knees. Many notice better sleep thanks to glycine and gelatin. Skin becomes firmer, hair and nails stronger, collagen works everywhere. Some experience mild detox symptoms at first, headaches or fatigue, but these pass quickly. Drink extra water to help your body adjust. For best results, drink your juice fresh, but you can store it in the fridge for up to 24 hours. You're not just easing pain, you're supporting total body wellness. We've explored the science, the stories, and the recipe. Now, the choice is yours. You can accept pain as inevitable, or you can take action. 5 minutes each morning can change your life. Reclaim the freedom to move, play, and enjoy life again. Healing doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. It starts in your kitchen with a single glass. Try it for 30 days. Notice the changes: less stiffness, less pain, more energy. Keep a journal to track your progress. This is about more than knees. It's about taking control of your health destiny. Blend your first glass and toast to a new beginning. Share your story and inspire others. Your journey can help others believe in their own healing power. Your new life starts now.